What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1968 Mustang Convertible. This one here is believed to be 302 under the hood. It's also got the AC compressor, power steering, power brakes. Decent little test drive so far. Check out the test drive video if you're interested in this car. The color has popped out like crazy. Even this couple pulled off the main road here and walked around it quite a bit. It just looks very good in the sun. I love that color. I'm not 100% sure what that is. I'd call it a teal green, but it's got a lot of metallic in it. What we're going to be doing is walking around, pointing out any chips, scratches, Bondo, rust, any issues that I could find. That way you know exactly what you're getting before you get here. I ship cars all over the nation. Also have financing available. So hit subscribe for some daily content from Maple Motors. Let's get started. Coming around the front here, nice clean chrome bumper. Pretty good shape. I'm gonna run down the lower portions first. Tires are in good shape. You've got a little cracking going on in the front fender there. Coming down the lower portion, the trim on this has got some scratches on it. Coming up over the rear fender. Not too bad, looks pretty good. Got a little screw coming out here. I should probably get that out before somebody runs over it, ends up in somebody else's tire. That'd just be karma, right? Chip in the paint there. Coming down the side, there's a light scratch. Go down the middle here, you've got some chips in the door. And they have a patch up here. Oh, it's just clear tape they put over so the paint don't crack anymore. It's cracked up though, right in the inside there. You got a light scratch there and a little run in the paint. Chip right there on top of the fender. Coming on down. Front windshield's in good shape. You've got some light scratches going on the windshield wiper right there. On both sides, light scratches here on the front windshield. You got some dry rot popping up on the seal around the front windshield. Vent window's in decent shape. Got a little bit of overspray there too. Coming on down the side here, you got a little bit of pitting popping up on your door handles. Fairly new top. Coming around the back. Exhaust kicked out there. That rear spoiler here has got a big dent in it on both sides. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Not bad at all. Let's see. That's a new seal they've put on there. Fairly new. It's not the one that caused all this, but that is old weather stripping. You've got some paint runs back here where this car hasn't. This is not an original color, I don't believe. Or it's not the original paint job is what I'm saying. You got the nice little Mustang bag here. It's holding your jack and stuff. A boot for the top. And pretty clean looking gas tank in there. Fairly clean. Let's look up in the package there. Oh, sorry. I'm banging you all around today. Good deal. Coming down with the trunk. Very clean, straight on the back. Looks good. We're going down this side now, running down the lower portion, hit the midsection, and finish with the top. Tires are in great shape on the back there. Lower portion of this car, you got some chips popping up down here. Coming on down, there's a scratch there. Paint run right here, up over the front fender. Chip right there. Coming back that mid section. Got a little spot right there in front of the headlight and some cracking going on the inside of it. So a little spot there in the paint. Also a spot there, chip. Chip right here in the middle. Little pitting popping up on the chrome. Discoloration on the mirror there, it's older. Too bad. Oh, would you like a hot dog with that chip? There's another one right there. All right, we've made it all the way around this ride. Let's go ahead and check the interior out, and we'll shut the hood, get her started. I noticed on this interior, somebody has replaced it, but it's loose. It needs to be tightened up. See the padding in there that needs to be tightened up, straightened up. And there's no holes or anything. The carpet is older. Could stand a replacement. Interior's in pretty good shape. Other than that, the door panel looks good. The weather stripping, a little bit older, but still in decent shape. The bottom of the door's got a little bit of overspray on it. Let's see. Place your bets. You think that horn works? The top does work. Check out the intro to the test drive video. Give her a little gas. Got the visors here. I'm gonna go ahead and put them up so I don't forget them. Ready for the horn? It works half the time, so we're gonna say it works. That oil pressure gauge actually came on. Earlier it wasn't working. The temperature is, fuel gauge is, and the speedometer works. Get the blower motor to kick on. I've not been able to tell if the AC is actually working. I can tell that it's pulling down on the RPMs, but it's not freezing cold. Let's try it again. It's just not freezing cold, so it's all there. It may need a little bit of work, and I can hear it cutting on, but it's not freezing cold. Well, wipers, and they work. Car sounds pretty good. Motor's nice and quiet. All right. Hood comes down nice and easy. Just barely pushing on it. She's locked. Well, no. Now she's locked. Had to give that second push. Okay. I love this color. It really does stand out. Hood's in good shape. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots now. We're gonna look up into the front, go all the way around the car, and definitely look for those detailed pictures on my website at maplemotors.com. Let's look under. I like the undercarriage up on the test drive video.
Definitely check that out.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope it helped you out. I do have finance, and I do have shipping, and I do have detailed pictures, and all of the pictures of all the cars that we get through weekly at maplemotors.com. Check every Monday to see all the new inventory. I thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video, hit subscribe, and also like. I'll see you in the next video. We're gonna drive this thing back to the lot. Test drive video will be located the last 30 seconds of this one.